Hello everyone and welcome to Edge Time. What I have in front of me here today is a new package from BladeHQ. This is the CJRB Ekko in the button lock configuration with stainless steel scales. So, we can go ahead and open it up and take a look at it. This is my Cobra Tech FS3 medium. Love this knife. I do have a review of it on YouTube. Alright, got us a fancy BladeHQ box here. Paper. Alright, we've got the CJRB box. Nice little BladeHQ sticker here, love that. Alright, let's get this box off to the side. And let's take a look at this thing. Alright. Got a nice little microfiber cloth here. Another silica gel and the Ekko itself. Very nice. So a little bit bigger than I thought. Not a bad thing. It's a good looking knife. Alright. There it is. The CJRB BladeHQ Ekko. Oh, very nice. Very nice. That is an excellent action right there. So we've got blade of AR RPM 9, which is a powdered steel. That is CJRB proprietary, I believe. Got a beautiful full flat grind. A nice sort of a modified sheep's foot blade profile. Very nice slicey profile. Got, of course, our front flipper, which I will need to learn how to use, and nice little notch here. You can do the regular flick or do reverse flick. Very nice. One of the main reasons I got this knife was because I saw this as a growing trend among just folding knives in general. The idea of a more fidget-friendly sort of design, incorporating front flipper, stuff like that, ball bearings, button lock, and I just wanted to see how it works for me. And also a more nerdy reason I got this was because of the full flat grind. I am a terrible sucker for full flat grinds, and a lot of folding knives that you see these days are hollow grind, and hollow grinds are okay, but there's just something very nice about having a full flat grind, like on my Spyderco. Just not something that you see a whole lot. So I will be carrying this knife, obviously, for a while, and once I have carried it for a while, I will get back to you all with a more formal review of this knife. But overall, right out of the box, I like it. All the ergonomics are really good. Pocket clip looks very nice. Love the fit and finish. Everything feels nice and smooth. So with that, there is the unboxing and quick overview of the CJRB Ekko. Now I'm going to have some fun playing with it off camera. And this weekend, I will also be coming out with a review of my Casio A168. Not this watch, not the G-Shock. Not yet. We'll do that one later. But yeah, like I said, I'll be doing a review of the Casio A168. Probably won't be doing a disassembly because I hate disassembling watches, and there's not really much of a point with as cheap of a watch as the 168 is. So anyway, with that, hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you all in the next one. Have a good day.